Hello everyone and welcome back to the video guys, and this is Bernard Choice. In today's video I'm going to show you how to blank name on your Facebook profile or to ghost name on your Facebook profile. So guys, if you'd like to know how, then consider watching the video till the end, because I'm going to show you how step by step. So guys, first thing first, go ahead and open your Facebook Lite application. If you don't have it, you can install it in your device. Let's now tap on our profile. As you can see, our display name is still there, but at the end of this video the name will be invisible. Now to do so, you tap on those three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down to settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Now tap on personal and account information. Now make sure you tap on name, the very first option. So clear all names, the first and the last name. Make sure you clear all names, and then replace them with these symbols. So guys, you find these symbols in the description box below. I've put a link there where you can download those symbols. Make sure you check them. Now tap on review change at the bottom, and make sure you submit your password. Now tap on save changes. Now let's go back to our profile. For clear proof, now tap on a profile icon. Now refresh. As you can see, we have now a ghost name on our Facebook profile or a blank name on our Facebook profile. So that's how easy you can blank name your Facebook profile, guys. So that's it for me today. So if you valued this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notification bell icon for more useful videos in the future. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look